on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be making a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol OEG, Orbital Energy Group. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on OEG. I do think OEG is a good buy because it is in the clean energy sector, which is a very nice sector, and I think that will continue to grow over the next 5 years. Their CEO is to the point. I mean, I really like the CEO. If you go research some of his track record, you'll feel comfortable. If you have a position in this stock and you do not know the CEO, that will definitely be music to your ears. And yeah, Biden is in office, so that is the direction that we are stepping, clean energy. So I do think this market correction is potentially a good buying opportunity. And I did get in on this descending wedge. I did get in on the break of this, which I did mention in my last video. And I did close my position, roughly, I think it was like a 15% gain. I still have half of it. I'm still going to let half of it ride out. But I got in on a technical standpoint, knowing a lot about the company, but not to where I would want to overwhelm my stay. But I will be going into the techniques, and the charts don't look bad. So let's get into it. You can see that you got nice support at the $4 mark, the $4.79 mark, which I don't think will come down to these, but I have it marked anyways. You also have support that we are battling to stay on right now, the $6.22 mark. Definitely keep an eye on that, as there is a lot of price action and action around these candles. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touch points on that candle, maybe 6. So it's definitely support that we're looking to stay over. For resistance, you got resistance at 716. Indicators, we are in a death cross on the MACD, so that is bearish, but we are tightening out. I did mention this in the last video that I expect it might tighten out a little bit, and that is what's happening. We are contesting a golden cross. If we can get that orange over the blue, that will get a lot of buyers in the stock. It'll be a good sentiment, and will be bullish, so keep an eye on that. If you look at the RSI, we are at 50, which is a momentum indicator I forgot to mention. So this is in good territory. You want it to be a 50 to 70. Generally in an upwards trend you'd like to see it in, which it is not, but we will see if we can hold this neutral territory, or we can go back to undersold territory. So definitely keep an eye on that. We're going to go over to the 4-hour charts and we get a more minute point of things. So you see right here that we definitely do want to hold this support on the 4-hourly, this $6.10. So yeah, the $6.20 down to the $6 range. You definitely want to hold. We definitely want to hold. People that are holding this stock, you definitely want to see that. You do see a nice engulfing bullish pattern right here, which is bullish. As you see, this candle did completely engulf this candle, and then follows by a hammer candle, which is bullish, followed by a little bit of a variation of a doji slash hammer candle. But what I do like on this candle is that we did gain confirmation on the 9-day EMA. You see right here that we are above that, so that is more of a short-term support. As you can see, we wrote it up, or it is a short-term resistance, we wrote it down. So I do like to see that there. And also what I do notice, which I forgot to mention, we did enter a golden cross right here. You can see the purple line, the 200-day EMA, got right back under the 9-day EMA, 9-day MA, which is bullish, which is a golden cross. For example, if I go over to the daily, you can see over here there was a golden cross right here. Yep, so definitely keep an eye on that. We're looking to hold that 100%. So with that being said, you see the indicators at 60. So on the 4-hourly, the RSI is a little bit higher. It is right in the middle of the neutral areas, which that is good. I'm going to drop some more trend lines, see if I can distinguish anything. You do see a nice overall support that we have been holding, this upwards support. We definitely want to hold that, and definitely keep an eye on this resistance at the same time. So it goes hand on hand. if this downward support is still respected, we should get a bounce soon. So definitely keep an eye on that. You see we are in a golden cross on the 4 hourly. We are soaring, is a nice golden cross. We are kind of tightening out a little bit to see if we can maintain that, so keep an eye on that. We're going to go over to the hourly just real quick just to see. So you kind of see that the stock definitely is a low float because we are kind of ripping and dipping, right? Gapping down with the market, which is normal, but yeah, I really do see a very respected um, upward support. These are kind of the channels going on right here, so definitely keep an eye on all of these channels and such. So with all that being said, I don't want to keep you guys here any longer than I have to, so please like, subscribe, all that. It helps the algorithm and the channel so much, and I am out.